Greetings, marketing students. I want to talk about your week 5 deliverables here. We are picking up the pace. This is a big week. You have 80 points worth of assignments this week. Not every week is going to be this busy, but this week is got a lot of stuff. So I want to top line these items for you so you can get through them pretty quickly. I'm going to share my screen and show you the week 5 module. All right, so here we are in the week 5 module. And I'm going to scroll down to the proper module. Here we are in week 5. And you see we have a consumer product classes quiz, a level of problem solving discussion, a consumer product classes assignment, and the marketing plan step 1. Let me talk about these top 3 ones real quickly so you can get through these pretty quickly. These shouldn't take you that long. With the study guide, the quiz is half an hour tops. The levels of problem solving discussion, that's 30 minutes, 45 minutes tops. And the consumer product classes assignment, depending how fast you are, 30 minutes, hour max. So let me show you how to do this really quickly, okay? I know you guys are busy. I'm gonna work backwards up here. So first off, let's look at the consumer product classes assignment. That one's 30 points. I'm gonna click on that assignment, and I'm in the student view here. When you have it all done, you see submit assignment. Here's the resources you want to look at. Go to the study guide, review the study guide available here, and if you scroll down to page 3 of the study guide, you will see the definition for consumer product classes. Okay, so you see that here. I'm going to highlight that. Consumer product classes, there's 4 types. There's convenience, shopping, specialty, and unsought. Now there's a video, if you go back into the assignment, there's a video here. Click on the following link to watch a short video on consumer product classes, basically explaining how they're different. So I'm not going to redo that for you here. I know that you have a short video that explains succinctly the 4 different consumer product classes and how they're different. So the study guide and that video will get you the consumer product classes answers that you need to answer this assignment. And basically what you're going to do is take those 4 product classes and sort the 8 different products I have here into that table. So there's a sample table link here that you can access and then save it as your own version. Don't type directly into this table. This is a Google Doc, but save it, file, make a copy right here. And then you've already got the table built for you. I've already built the table for you. And all you need to do is take those 8 products and drop them into the appropriate category in the table. So some of the products are convenience products. Some of them are shopping products. Sorry, this is displaying a little weird. There we go. Some of them are specialty products, and some of them are unsought products. So take those 8 products and put them into the appropriate categories. You see there's convenience, and then a subcategory for convenience. There's shopping products in the gray, and then there's a subcategory for shopping products. There's specialty products with no subcategory, and then there's unsought products that also have a subcategory. So you want to put them in their main category and then identify, just state what their subcategory is. All right? So that is your 30-point assignment. Easy breezy, not a problem. There's your 8 products right here, and drop them into the table. So my recommendation is watch the video here, understand the different product classes. There's 4. Then make a copy of the table, and then just drop those products into the table. This should take you less than an hour, most definitely. All right, 30 points right there. Boom, let's go on to the next piece, and that is the discussion. So we just talked about assignment, consumer product classes. Let's talk about the discussion, levels of problem solving, and purchasing products. So I'm opening up this assignment. Same thing here. As you look at the assignment, you'll see You can refer to those terms by visiting the study guide. So I would do that first. You click on this link, and that'll take you to the study guide. And if you go to page 3, levels of problem solving right here, those different levels are explained here. Extensive, limited versus routine. If you want more descriptions on that, then you can go to my lecture video and I expand on those terms even more. But this is basically it, okay? So now you know the 3 different levels of problem solving. How much work do people put into evaluating a purchase before they make that purchase? Then you will tackle the actual discussion. There's a short video as an example. There's even more description here on levels of problem solving. And then there's the questions. So the questions are, identify a product for each of those levels, extensive, limited, or routine. And then go back to your marketing plan and your product idea, which your step 1 is due this week. Take your product or service idea and describe if you think it's extensive, limited, or routine problem solving that a customer goes through in their evaluation process before they purchase your product. Question 3 is, what type of marketing information do you think the customer needs? If your product idea is, I'm going to open a fast food restaurant, you know, that customer is not going to need a whole lot of information beyond what is on the menu board when they pull up to order the food. But if you have some type of online consulting digital information product, I'm going to be a personal coach, and in the digital space, they're going to want a bunch of information about you before they make their purchase decision. So fast food is probably routine problem solving, whereas a digital information product is probably extensive. Okay, those are your 3 questions. That's it. And then you submit your post and go back and reply to other students. Make sure you reply. If you don't, if you miss that, you're only going to get half credit on the discussion. All right. So there's another 20 points. We've done our assignment. We've done our discussion. And then we turn to the quiz. Quiz, consumer product classes. Same thing here. Go back to the study guide. And I'll add a link into the quiz here for the study guide. It's asking you about those 4 different types of consumer product classes: convenience, shopping, specialty, and unsought. Your study guide is your friend to answer the quiz. All right, we've got all those done. It's maybe taking you 1 hour, 2 at the tops. You've done your quiz, you've done your discussion, you've done your assignment, and then you turn to your marketing plan project step 1. And there's an array of information here for you to get this thing done quickly. And that's all listed here. So here's a student sample that you can look at. So you have that option. Let me double check that link. It looks like it's not opening right now in student view, so I'll refresh that. And then these are the 3 sections of the marketing plan step 1. Product description, describing the unmet need for a target, and what's the size of your market, which requires some research, and that's all explained down here. How long should this take? 1 hour. If you haven't thought at all about your marketing plan and your product yet, it could take up to 2. So this is literally just a couple of pages, maybe 2 to 3 pages. So I'll refresh the sample so you guys can look at that. And that, my friends, covers your 80 points of assignments this week. Thanks for listening. Reach out to me on the Canvas inbox if you have questions.